Hello, I'm Grithiga Sagayaraj from Signature Language Center. I'm a professional British Council certified trainer for IELTS, both academic and general training. I hold a BE and MBA degree, and having over 6 years of teaching experience, I have taught more than 700 students all around the world.
In this course, I am going to teach you writing section of both academic and general training. Letter writing format, types of letters, how to write a perfect letter, and I will be providing sample letters and same in academic report writing. And in writing task 2, I will be discussing all type of essays in detail. How to write an impressive introduction, general statement, paraphrasing, outline statement. Furthermore, how to start each of the body paragraphs, how to write a topic center to address and extend main ideas to write example in an effective way, and also how to write an effective conclusion, how to commence it, and also there will be a doubt clearing section and regular evaluation of your writing. Thank you.